Alright, I'm going to open up this impact wrench. Got it from Amazon. Amazon, or this company, is not shipping outside of Amazon. So I had to use the company Ship2, and this is not a sponsor for Ship2. I had to use Ship2 to provide a address that Amazon would ship to, and then Ship2 forwards the item to me. So I actually had to pay for the impact, then I had to pay for Ship2 to ship it to me, which made this a little bit more expensive than it should be. This is $119 on Amazon. To have it shipped to me cost $70 on top of the $119. So very expensive. Let's check it out, see if it's worth it, and maybe in the future this company will start shipping outside of their area. All right. It's real interesting. I'm opening it up, and if you've watched some of these unboxings, you recognize this box. Very generic box that just another, let's see. All right. Box is nothing very nice, not really cool. If you know what, we actually got to open this. Maybe there's another box inside the box. Like, let me show you the box for these TMGs. Like, remember these things? Let's see here. Like, look at this thing. Like, they're really putting in effort to go through all this to sell you a tool and, you know, make their brand known and make it look good and stuff like that. Whereas this, you've seen about, you know, maybe 5 impacts that have this same box on my channel. But let's open it up. Again, there might be a box inside the box. Oh, a case. There's a case. Man, case is really nice. That's actually better than a that's better than a box, really. I'm kind of embarrassed because now I was going on about a box and it came in a nice case. Oops. Alright, I can forgive the box because this is actually pretty sweet. Nice case. Dowox. Tools for easier life. That's all we want. Nothing on back of the box. No other labels. These are plastic. Nice engagement. Alright, are you ready? I'm ready. It's packed in there. Dowox manual. Scan the barcode. So we got the 3 sockets, 19 mil. Strange tapered design. You can see it's made on the lathe. You can see the lathe marks. Real interesting. Another tapered. I've never seen this kind of socket. This is a 17. See how it's tapered? This is a 21. Real thin. Good for lug nuts. Now, what do we have here? Should I go get that stubby, right? So here's the stubby. Here's the charger. Has the US style plug. And it's 100 to 240 input. Gosh, it stinks. Here is the battery. $20 max. Wow. That is the first ever time I've seen a light. See how it goes off? Like one goes down, then the other. That is very neat. I've never seen that before, actually. Here's the impact. Dowox. It's a friction ring. Also has the hole. brushless. Interesting. Has a LED. There's the panel. Well, here is a stubby. It's different. Pretty much the same heights. And the width. The Dowox is a little bit taller in the front, longer in the front. But yeah, there's those two. It's tight. Oh, I can't even push it. This is reverse. That's auto. All right. I believe in forward, you can only adjust the speeds. In reverse, it's so in reverse, you have either the auto shut off or full power. So let's put it on the charger and then we'll try it out. Oh yeah, the obvious question is, does it fit the Makita battery? Oh, it's not even a Makita battery, is it? Here's the real Makita battery. It actually fits the Makita battery better than the Dowox battery. This battery's tight.